May mga video talaga dito sa TikTok na nakukuha talaga ang irita ko for today's video. Kuhang-kuha talaga yung irita ko kasi Hoy! Alam nyo, yung mga rage bait videos, nauuso na yan ngayon. Tapos talagang napadaan sa FYP ko, yung may tinanong. Nabother pa ako sa tinanong. Obvious naman hindi na yung tinanong. Tinanong niya, would you judge daw a mom that will get daw a yaya? Siyempre ako, it hits close to home kasi pinili ko maging single mom. Mas pinili ko talaga that I would get the best caregiver for my child. Paid them really well, as in 1,400 to 1,000 minimum a day. As in tipong ganon ang level. Kasi hindi naman yaya, extension naman yan ng pagkananay ko. Level yan ng deserve ng anak ko. And then may magja-judge. Una sa lahat, hindi mo afford. Di nga ako nagreklamo na nag-crop top ka, hindi mo naman nilinis ng maayos yung belly button mo. Wala kang nanay, di ka pinalaki ng ayos. Obviously, wala kang yaya kasi hindi afford ng mami mo. Kaya siguro nakita mo na hindi masaya yung nanay mo, ikaw yung naging anak niya. Kasi obviously, you will judge moms like me. Isa ako kasi kumuha ako ng yaya and I don't even like the term. And with how much I pay the people that take care of my son, they're not just some yaya. That's why they're Tita Cherry. Our Tita Cherry. And yes, we pay her well. And yes, she has all of the benefits, even international travel. Kasi yan naman talaga dapat. Diba? You should have more dignity in the choices that you make. Katulad ng judgment mo, o wag kang maging nanay ha? Kasi obviously, hindi ka talaga nanay with a mindset like that. Because you're gonna make us feel bad. Mothers who do the best for our children. You make us feel bad for making choices just because it doesn't align with what you think is ideal. Kasi idealistic ka pa masyado, wala ka pang anak eh. Pero wait till you have a child with the wrong person. Let's see how you fare. Kasi ako, I chose to be a single mom for 5 years before I decided to marry Ed. And even by marrying Ed, I know now that he can truly take care of Tony because that's what we have been doing without Tita Cherry since we let her go home. We let her go home every 2 weeks so she can rest. Yes, that's how we treat the people that work with us, not for us. Kaya kuhang-kuha mo talaga yung irita ko. Kasi ang dali-dali mag-judge sa buhay na hindi naman sa'yo. Although I don't really give a fuck even if yours flies. Kasi at the end of the day, you should not shame women for making choices for their children. For as long as their children are healthy, happy, and well taken care of. As choices that we have made as women. Kesa naman nga, kukuha-kuha ka ng yaya pero hindi mo naman pagkakatiwalaan. Kukuha-kuha ka ng tao na mag-aalaga sa anak mo o ikaw mismo pero toxic ka naman. May ibibigay mo naman ang ugali mong hindi dapat makain ng aso sa anak mo. So kung toxic ka bilang nanay, mas magiging toxic yung anak mo. Siyempre, anong pagmamanong mong iba? Kadukhaan? Pati sa mindset, makukuha niya yan. Kaya kung kuha talaga yung irita na, yeah, kasi they will have a relationship. Relationship to what? A mother and a child is nature, designed with an unbreakable bond. Kaya nga, di ba, we are more protected by the law? Kasi iba pa rin talaga ang nanay. Oo, hindi lahat ng nanay okay. Hindi talaga lahat ng nanay kaaya-aya. Pero it does not give you the right to judge those that do what is best for their children. Especially to the circumstances that they are given. Or the circumstances that they are dealt with. Like for example, me, a single mom, who decided to be a single mom. Because I did not want to be around the wrong people. I did not want my child to be around the wrong sort. And I did not want my child to be around a toxic parent. Kaya I did not allow that mediocrity to exist. I chose who could be around my son. And to this day, I don't regret that choice. I give dignity to the people I choose to be around my son. Kaya ang hirap talaga maghanap ng sino ang i-welcome sa pamilya namin. Kasi part na yan ng pamilya namin. Hindi lang yan some person we pick off of the streets to enter our home. Kaya ikaw, ang galing-galing mong mag-judge. Sana wag kang maging nanay. Sana wag talaga ma-feel ng anak mo yung toxicity ng mindset mo. Nagagawin mo talaga lahat by yourself kahit hindi ka na masaya. Well, I can't have that. I will not show my son that I am unhappy being his mom because that will hurt more. I want my son to see that the choice to be his mother is a choice that I was very happy to make. That disciplining him is part of that choice. And allowing people that we can trust to be in his life is part of that choice. You don't get to judge the women whose lives you've never lived. You don't get to judge women whose lives you can't afford. And besides, yan kasi, you should judge women who get yayas but don't pay them well. Yan ang mali. You should judge women who get yayas but they pay below the minimum. There was a time when Tony was a newborn that I paid the person who took care of him 1,400 for 12 hours. And to this day, we pay Tita Cherry way above the minimum, even for Cebu, now that she's moved. And we give her free even international travel. We let her go home every 2 weeks. She is free to go anytime she wants. Because, of course, she knows she is replaceable. But we don't treat her just some yaya. I don't even like to call her that. She's Tita Cherry. She is my son's caregiver. And yes, she is the extension of who I am as a mother. Merely an extension. Pero to say that the relationship will change, absolutely not. You can't change Mother Nature, babe. Ano ka? Diyos? Diba? Yan ang nga ba sinasabi ko? No? You're going to guilt trip mothers into taking care of their own children even if hindi na talaga nila kaya. Ano tingin mo sa amin, octopus? Walo ang kamay? We are simply going to do what's best for our children and no one is going to guilt us to do whatever it is that we can. For as long as hindi naman ikaw na agrabyado sa mga choices namin. For as long as hindi naman ikaw ang nagbabayad ng kaya naming bayaran para sa mga yaya. And again, I don't even like that term because we don't use that term in our home. Tita Cherry is Tita Cherry. She's an institution all to herself. And she's part of our family. And she has always been treated that way. And yes, she may not be of blood, but she has done more for us than actual blood. So ayun, kuha lang talaga ni ate girl yung irita ko. And next time, when you do rage bait videos like that, target someone else. Target someone else whose lives, yung kayang-kaya nyo talagang gampanan. Kayang-kaya yung mga desisyon na ginagawa. Or mga buhay na afford nyo. Kasi panigurado kasi, yung mga judgments nyo comes from a place of truth for you. Yung mga tipo ng nanay na tatanga-tanga. Yung mga tipo ng nanay na gagawa-gawa ng anak, pero hindi naman mapalaki na maayos kasi tingnan mo nga naman, nas nauuna ang judgment. Kaya huwag ka maging nanay. Because that video will come to haunt you. And then it will remind you on that very day when you are neck deep in chores. When you want to kill yourself for making the wrong decision of having a child you can't raise on your own. Kasi nga, di ba sinabi mo na you will judge people who get the ayas? Ayan, mababack to you yan sa'yo. You think karma will not make you pay? Oh, she will! And she has a soft spot for women who judge first and know not. Yes, those who judge first and know nothing. Kaya kuha mo talaga yung irita ko. Kasi ako, I don't give a flying fuck what you think about me and what I do for my son kasi hindi mo naman yan anak, akin naman yan. Pero yun nga, may mga ibang nanay kasi that would get their affirmation as a mom na magaling sila or not for getting yayas. Huy, Diyos ko, Lord! Alam mo yung mga weak na mga nanay? Oh, yung mga nanay na apektado sa mga video mong pang rage bait. Pero yun nga, di ba yan yung target market mo? To make women feel bad for not doing it all? Ay, be. Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. You put such a high standard for other women, but for yourself, asaan na? Di nga ako nagre-reklamo na ano yung suot mo. Di nga ako nagre-reklamo na hindi mo inayos ng linis yung belly button mo bago ka nagkaroon ng opinion sa mga bagay na hindi mo naman naiintindihan. Pero yun lang. I wanted to make this video because I'm sure makikita yon ng napakaraming mga babae na may mga anak na nahihirapan silang mag-isa because either they pick the wrong person to marry or they married or they pick the wrong person to have a baby with. Kaya para lang din silang single mom. Kaya ako, when I chose to be a single mom, I chose who to marry. And the person I married can very well take care of my son. Just like me. Because that's what he does for us every day. He takes care of me and Tony. I mean, of course, I had 5 years in. You know, he's keeping track. And he's also gaining traction. Pero yun nga, that's the kind of judgment you should be having. That you obtain service from people that you don't pay them well enough to do for you. Kasi that's where the judgment should be. That you get people to work with you or work for you, you don't treat them well, and you don't pay them well. Ako, I have had Tita Cherry with me since 2021. I've never missed a day where I did not give her a salary, a benefit, a bonus, and I treat her like family, and her family is family to me too. And yes, whatever she needs, wants, I can afford and will afford because she's part of my family. Pero yun nga. Yun lang. I just wanted to make this video because ang irita ko, gusto ko dumaan lang. Because hindi talaga nakakaganda ng skin. Nakaka-affect sa Snap 8 na nilalagay ko sa mukha ko. Yan lang. Ingat!